I'm really not shy about telling people that JavaScript is the most important language they could learn right now. The reason for that is JavaScript can be used for so many things. We use JavaScript for websites. Just about every web application out there has JavaScript. We now can use JavaScript for the back end of a website. We can use JavaScript for mobile. So here you see I've been working on some JavaScript code. This is an application I've been working on to create a visualization for trains in the Washington Metro subway system. It'll simply display which trains are coming to any particular station. And I did this in just a few lines, less than 100 lines of JavaScript. JavaScript is part of important new technologies like Node.js. Node is essentially the back-end JavaScript I was talking about, where JavaScript can be used on a server or even on a desktop. JavaScript is also behind the PhoneGap platform, which allows you to package mobile applications using HTML5. What's so cool about this is these mobile applications can be written for the iOS platform or the Android platform. So with your HTML5 and JavaScript skills, you can go ahead and create full-fledged mobile apps. Here's another app I was working on. This one takes all of the Hartford 911 incidents, lists them, and then also places them on a map so you can see exactly where emergencies were happening in the Hartford area. I'm really excited about teaching you JavaScript. I think you're going to find that once you understand the JavaScript language, you're going to feel more and more confident about your coding skills. JavaScript is really the key to creating powerful web applications, and soon will be the key to most mobile applications. At least that's my prediction. I hope you enjoy this section of the course in which we're going to go over the JavaScript programming language.